first step in starting a research plot is to clean out seed boxes of the planter that you are using. So we used a vacuum that was attached to a side-by-side, and you can see here on the right-hand side that white tube is actually where the seed is collected, and then it filters it so we can reuse the seed actually. Once the seed has all been cleaned from each of the seed boxes, which are those yellow boxes on the planter, we placed approximately 4 cups of seed in each of the boxes because we were doing about a 1/4 mile length. There you can see inside the seed box. It's not a whole lot of seed, but about a 1/4 mile. And then you plant. It was a 12-row planter, and so we did a split, 6 rows of one variety and 6 rows of another variety. We did this for 5 different seed companies were represented in this plot and multiple varieties. After planting a short distance, it's important to check the depth of the seed and to create tags so that we know what variety we planted where. That variety information is then written on each of the stakes. There you can see them across the field. Right along with the planter here, I want to point out again, since it's corn, that you'll see this yellow tank. That yellow tank has what we call a starter fertilizer. It's predominantly nitrogen. There is the seeding monitor that will tell us how many seeds we're dropping, as well as if there's any issues with each of the seed boxes, so perhaps if it's not dropping a seed at the right rate that we want. Special thank you to Nutrien Ag Solutions, LG Seeds, DeKalb Seed, Channel Seed, and Dynagrow for, of course, donating seed for us to use in this plot this year. And a special thank you to my dad, who has always been patient in some of my crazy ideas.